Welcome to Google I/O.
Thrilling to see so many here for our first developer conference ever.
Here is the basic home screen for Android. Everything you need to build a mobile phone.
What you're looking at is a web app.
I/O also stands for innovation in the
To
open.
announce the next major Android release, Ice Cream Sandwich.
Android 4.1 Jelly Bean.
Okay, Google, show me things to do in Santa Cruz.
Here are popular attractions in Santa Cruz.
A way of thinking that we call material design.
A brand new product, Google Photos.
Bringing the Google Assistant right into your conversation with friends.
We're making Kotlin an officially supported language in Android.
All our investments over the years in natural language understanding, it's called Google Duplex.
We are excited to bring the camera to Google Search.
It all begins with our mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful.